Assalamualaikum. Dear students, open page number 48. Today we'll start with our next unit 7 about heat, light and sound. Heat, light and sound are the energies and they do not have mass and do not occupy space. They are termed as non-matter. Matter is something which occupies space and have mass, and opposite of matter is non-matter. Now today we'll study about heat. What is heat? Heat is energy and it occurs only when the molecules move. You can see the picture over here. Here are some molecules which are gaining heat and they are moving faster. Whereas when they are not gaining heat, they are at rest, they are closer to each other and they are not moving apart. Now what is heat and how it is measured? We'll see that temperature is something which tells us about how hot and cold an object is. And to measure temperature, there are two scales which we commonly use. They are the Celsius scales and the Fahrenheit scales. These two scales were discovered by two scientists naming Andreas Celsius, who discovered Celsius scale about 300 years ago, and Fahrenheit scale was named after Polish scientist named Daniel Gebrel, who invented thermometer as well, and he named this scale after his name. Now these scales range from Celsius scale ranges from 0 to 100 degrees Celsius, whereas Fahrenheit ranges from 32 to 212. In the Celsius scale, which we commonly use in Pakistan, we see that water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius, whereas it boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Now, how the temperature is measured? Temperature is measured by an instrument we have seen before, that is thermometer. And you can see the thermometer, the picture of the thermometer, that it is a glass tube. It is graduated, means it has marks on it, degrees marked on it, and on the lower portion there is a small swollen portion called bulb. In that bulb, mostly a liquid which is commonly used is the mercury. Now when the liquid is cold, its molecules stay close together. Mercury is in the liquid form, and when it is cold, its particles are close together and the mercury is inside the bulb. So when you place this thermometer along or in touch with a hot object, what happens? The mercury molecules gain heat and they start moving apart. They spread out. They want more space, and when they need more space, they will move out from the bulb, which is connected to a small thin tube running through the whole length of the thermometer. Now mercury starts rising along this thin tube, and wherever it stops, it gives the temperature of that object. Means how much heat this mercury has gained from the object which was to be examined, whose temperature was to be measured. यानी आपने किसी चीज़ का अगर टेम्परेचर मालूम करना है, जैसे सपोज़ करें आपने अपनी बॉडी का टेम्परेचर ही मालूम करना है, यू आर फीलिंग इल. सो अगर आप बीमार हो, आपको बुखार है, तो व्हाट हैपन इज़ योर थर्मोमीटर इज़ केप्ट इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद योर बॉडी. आपकी थर्मोमीटर जो है, इसका जो बल्ब है वो आपके जिस्म के साथ टच होना चाहिए. आपकी बॉडी की हीट जो है इस मरकरी को जो है इसको हीट ट्रांसफ़र करेगी, जिससे क्या होगा कि मरकरी जो है उसके मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं वो मूव अपार्ट करेंगे. जस्ट लाइक दीज मॉलिक्यूल्स, दे विल मूव अपार्ट, दे विल ट्राई टू मूव स्प्रेड आउट, एंड व्हेन दे ट्राई टू स्प्रेड आउट, द मरकरी स्टार्ट राइजिंग अप द ट्यूब. और जितना आपका बॉडी का टेम्परेचर होगा, वहाँ तक जाकर ये मरकरी जो है वो जितनी इसने हीट गेन करनी होगी कर लेगी, और वहाँ जाके वो रुक जाएगी, and that will be the temperature of your body. There are different temperatures, so thermometers used, that is clinical thermometer, which is used for measuring temperature of a human body by doctors in the clinic, and there may be wall thermometer, which is used to measure the temperature of a room. अगर आपने अपने कमरे का, अपनी सराउंडिंग का टेम्परेचर मालूम करना है, तो उसके लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं एक स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ थर्मोमीटर, जिसे हम वॉल थर्मोमीटर कहते हैं. उसके अलावा there is a laboratory thermometer, which is much longer in size, and it is used to measure the temperature of the liquids. जो भी आप एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हो, आप लैब में जब कोई एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हो और किसी का टेम्परेचर मालूम करना हो किसी लिक्विड का किसी चीज़ का, तो उसके लिए जो थर्मामीटर यूज़ करते हैं दैट इज़ कॉल्ड लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर।